Everybody hates a flat tire. It's unavoidable. If you ride long enough, eventually it'll happen to you. In this video, I'll tell you about an experiment where 4 different flat protection products were systematically tested. The result will leave you astonished. Hello, I'm Robert Berrio. I hate flat tires as much as you do, but the cyclist's curse might become a thing of the past. I discovered a YouTube video by Bolton e-bikes in which they tested 4 different products for preventing flat tires. Here's what they tested. Slime, a very common product. It's a squishy liquid that coats the inside of the inner tube and that plugs up small punctures as they happen. Flat Out, a product like slime, but that Bolton e-bikes never tried. It's recommended for tractor tires, but it apparently also works on large bicycle tires. Mr. Tuffy, a liner that fits between the tire and the inner tube and that adds a physical shield. And finally, Tennis Armor, a massive liner that adds about an inch of extra thickness to the fat bike tire used in this test. I'm not going to give away the winner because it wouldn't be fair to steal Bolton's thunder. Watch the video till the end and you'll be surprised at the result.